So there is like 4 new vending machines where I work. So one is for coffee, like for this guy over here, and one for chips, chocolates, and one for drinks, and the other one is for items like these things here. There's also like a flan, cream flan, and some rice pudding. So, but I think one of the items that you can buy at the vending machine, at least for the ones at my workplace, is this guy over here. It's a bit is a wee bit expensive. I think $2 if you compare it like buying at a grocery store. Of course it's expensive, but for a vending machine item, price wise, and for the serving that you can get for this item, I mean, this is one of the good ones. Cause the ones that I consider a bad item, or the item that how do I say it? That that is not a bang for your buck. It's those tuna sandwich, turkey, chicken sandwich. Not the chicken patty, but the one with the mayo. So those, because those are like $4. Just, and those are like two loaves of bread, sliced into two. So for a $4 sandwich, that's expensive. At least that's my opinion. But for this thing, I mean, it's okay. The price is good. It's okay for me, at least for me. So yeah, that's it. And this coffee over here is like $1.25. It's a typical pricing for a vending machine hot coffee. So yeah, nothing you can do about it. For this, unless you wanna like do it at home, this is easy to make. So just a loaf of bread and cheese and some tomato thing, sauce thing, some pepperoni, freeze it and bring it to work, put it in the microwave. So yeah, but if you don't want to do that, then this is one of the best things that you can get in a vending machine. So yep, that's it for now.